The last session we discussed about the exception handling. Few of the areas of the exception handling. We can handle the exceptions using few keywords. What are the keywords we discussed? Try keyword, catch keyword, and finally next throw keyword and throws keyword. Right? And we discussed about user defined exception, also called as custom exception. Custom exceptions. So these are all the areas we discussed in the exception handling. If you are okay with this, if you are familiar with this all the areas, then you are okay with the exception handling. So after the exception handling, today we are going with file handling. File handling. Okay, so file handling is a very important area in every programming language. File handling is a very important area in every programming language. In every programming language. Every programming language. So, in filing operations, with the help of file handling, we can perform below operations. With the help of file handling, we can perform, we can perform, we can perform below operations. We can perform below operations. What are the operations? We can create the files. We can create the files, create files, and next create directories, and the third one is delete the files, and files and directories, files and directories. Next one is read the data, send the data from Java file to from Java program to file. Send the data from Java program to file. Next, fifth process we can do here, read the data from the file. Read the data from the file. And after that, we discussed about the serialization and what does it mean by deserialization. What is deserialization? What is serialization and what is deserialization? So these are all the areas we will be covered in the file handling. So file handling is the very important area in every programming language. With the help of file handling, we can perform below operations. With the help of file handling, we can perform below operations. What are the operations? We can create the files, and we can create the directories, and we can delete the files, and we can send the data from the Java program to file, read the data from the file, and what is serialization and what is serialization. What is serialization and what is for handling files. So Java provided us one predefined class base. Java provided us one predefined class, provided us predefined class. So that is file. File is the predefined class. File is the predefined class, predefined class, which is available in which is available in file is the predefined class which is available in java.io package. Java.io package. So with the help of file, you can do the operations. Like that document I already shared with you, right? That also I can share you. Java S8 document. If I open that document, simply please go through Landover Java.io package. Click on that, and I am coming to here. There is a file. Click on that and go inside. See, file is the predefined class, and come down. Yeah, these are all the methods. If you want to create the file, you can create new file. This is the method. And if you want to delete the file, this is the method. And if you want to create the directory, these are all the methods actually. So based on the requirement, we will use these all the methods. Based on the requirement, we will use these all the methods. Now we'll go ahead with one program, and then we'll try to create a file, and then we'll try to see that one. For example, here I'm going to this folder, and where actually I'm creating one Java file, text document, and the document is demo.java. Okay, now open the file, and the skeleton for the public class demo, and this is the scope of the class, and main method public static void main method, and string aux, and this is the scope of the main method. And inside the main method, what I am doing, my requirement is I want to create one file through Java program. So if you want to create one file, normally we will create the file. How you will create? Come to here and take a new, like this. You will create the file, right? You will create the file, but I don't want to create manually. I want to create the file programmatically. I want to create file programmatically. How could you do? So that you can do by using Java program. So there is a file. File is the predefined class, and I'm creating. I'm accessing that file, and whatever the file you want to create with that name, you have to give here. Like I want to create raju.txt file, and this is the class coming from the java.io package, right? So make sure you have to import java.io package as well. Import
Java.io.
java.io dot file class. File class. Okay, come down. Now there is a method. I want to create the file. Then what is the method? The method is create file method. Come down. This is the create new file. Copy this one, and simply I am coming to here, and f dot create new file. F dot create new file. That's it. That's it. Simply I'm saving this file. Now the location where I will have, yeah, this is the file location, right? Go to the file location, open command prompt, little bit drag down. You guys see Java C demo.java, and here we need to throw the IO exception. Throws IO exception. Save the file. Come to here. Java C demo.java. What you can do here, you can throw the exception. Save this one. Come to here. Compile the file. File has compiled. Come to here. I am doing the running. I am executing the file. Java dev. You can see here Raju.txt is created. Who created this one? We are only creating through Java program. We are only creating through Java program. Now I want to create a folder. If you want to create the folder, in that case also, again create one more object, file f. This you can assume this is the f1 and this is also f1. And here I am mentioning the name as f2 equal to new file, and here also I am giving like some folder name. This is my work, and like that I am giving, and f2 dot make directory. This is the method. The method is where available up to there. This is the method. So see here, this is the method. Come to the location, compile the file, created or not, file is created or not, creating. So manually we will create manually. Instead of doing the manually, we are doing with programmatically. We are doing with the programmatic. So this is how the basically we can, for example, in the file how the data, there is no data, right? We can send the data through the Java program. We can read the data through the Java program. Everything we can do by using Java program. So that is the reason file handling is the very important area in every programming language. Every programming language. Okay, coming to here. Now I'm creating one more file. Here I would like to mention Rani.txt. This is the Rani file. I'm saving this one and I'm coming to here. Java C demo.java. Rani also created. Now I want to delete the files. I created, okay, that is okay, create folder. That is scenario number one. In the
Uh,
scenario number two, I want to delete
Krishna,
the files. If I want to delete the files, simply come to here. There is a method that is the delete method. There is a method that is delete method. So go to that location. You can find the method that is delete. So see here, delete the files are directly denoted by the abstract. What you can do, simply coming to the Java program and simply can mention delete, f2 dot delete. For example, I would like to delete, sorry guys, I would like to delete f3, f3 dot delete. Saving this one. See here, Rani file gone. If you want to delete the folder also, same thing. Go to the program, there is a folder this one, and simply what you can do, the method is f2 dot delete.
కృష్ణ హలో.
Yes, yes, yes.
కృష్ణ ఒక డౌట్. యాక్చువల్గా ఇక్కడ మనం త్రోస్ ఎక్సెప్షన్ అని రాసాం కదా
Oh,
ఆ ప్రోగ్రాంలో.
అవునవును.
అంటే అది కంపల్సరీ రాయాల్సిన
అవును,
కమాండా
రాయాలి.
లేదంటే?
మనం డేటా ఇక్కడ ఫైల్ నేము, ఇక్కడ మనం ఫైల్ నేమ్ ఇస్తున్నాం కదా.
ఓకే.
సో మనం కంపల్సరీ రాయాలి. ఎక్సెప్షన్స్లో మనం డేటా తీసుకుంటున్నా కానీ, డేటా సెండ్ చేస్తున్నా కానీ, మనం త్రోస్ ఎక్సెప్షన్ అనేది మనం రాయాలి కంపల్సరీ.
ఓకే కృష్ణ.
ఇన్పుట్ అండ్ అవుట్పుట్ ఎక్సెప్షన్, దాని పేరెంట్ క్లాసు ఎక్సెప్షన్, ఇది రాయాలి కంపల్సరీ.
అంటే ఇక్కడ మనం ఫైల్స్ క్రియేట్ చేసేటప్పుడు మనం ఇక్కడ పబ్లిక్ మెయిన్ మెథడ్ రాసినట్టుగా అది కూడా కంపల్సరీ రాయాలి అంతేనా?
త్రోస్ ఎక్సెప్షన్ కంపల్సరీ రాయాలి. మనం ఇన్పుట్ అండ్ అవుట్పుట్ ఆపరేషన్స్ ప్యాకేజ్ పేరు ఏంటి, ఇన్పుట్ అండ్ అవుట్పుట్. సో
ఓకే.
మనం ఎక్కడైనా సరే జావా ప్రోగ్రాంలో ఇన్పుట్ అండ్ అవుట్పుట్ ఆపరేషన్స్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు మనం కంపల్సరీ ఈ ఎక్సెప్షన్ని త్రో చేయాలి.
ఓకే కృష్ణ, థ్యాంక్స్.
ఇది వర్క్ అవుతుంది. ఎక్సెప్షన్ త్రో చేయాలి కంపల్సరీ.
ఓకే కృష్ణ, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
మెయిన్ మెథడ్లో ఎక్సెప్షన్ త్రో చేయాలి. So these are the operations. Now here also if you want to delete the directory, delete, and simply I am saving the file, and you can come to here, compile the file, same. I hope you guys understood like how to create the files and how to delete them. So see here, folder also gone. Folder also gone. Okay. Next one is you guys. This is clear, and this is clear. My next one is this is also clear. Next this is the empty file, right? There is no data. Okay, there is no data. So to this file I want to send the data through programmatically. If I want to send the data through programmatically, then there is a class file reader. Same package, go to file reader. Reader file reader. Normally you can check it below. Send the data to the file. There is a method that is file writer. Come to here, and now I want to send the data. So if you want to send the data, then there is a method file writer. File writer fw equal to new file writer, new file writer, and the file, which file you want to send the data. I want to send the data this raju.txt. So simply I am giving the file name here, and there is a methods. One is the writer method, and second one is the write method. Okay, so I am going with the writer method, and here I am saying, and here I am mentioning the data is hi, good morning everyone, good morning everyone. Okay, and I am here, a method, fw dot flush method, and fw dot close method, w dot close method. We'll see this is working or not. Then after that, I will tell you the use of each one. Coming to here, Java say demo.java, and we have to import the statement. This is coming from the java.io package, right? With the statement and import file writer. Save this one. Come to here, Java C demo, and here also fw.writer. Writer is the method.
Someone is waiting, Krishna, outside to join the class.
Yeah, come to here. So see, are you guys clear with my statements? What I am doing? So now coming to here, I am creating the manually. This is the file which I did not create. I created through Java program. Okay, if I open this file, initially this file is empty, but this is the data I sent from the Java program. Again, coming to here, Java program. Here we can type like any other thing like today we are discussing about exception file handling. File handling. I'm saving the file. Coming to here, compile the file and run the file. You can see here where actually can close the file and then you can open the file. See, magic or not? We are sending the data from the Java program and everything we are doing automatically. Everything we are not doing the manually. So instead of doing the manually, can do by using Java programs. Meaning, can create the files, can delete the files, can manipulate the data. These all kind of operations can do by using Java program. By using Java program. I hope you guys understood. There are three scenarios. What are the three scenarios? Scenario number one, creating the files, creating the directories. Scenario number two, delete the files, delete the directories. And scenario number three, send the data from Java program to file, any file. Whatever the file you want to send the data from your, I would say, program to that file name you will mention in the Java program, and that data will be sent from your Java program to there. Your Java program to there. Okay? Okay, fine. Oh, you text game పెడతావు బాగా చేయవు అవి సిఎస్ఎస్ ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ ఆపరేషన్ చేస్తాం డేటాని తీసుకురావడం డేటాని ఇవ్వడం డేటాని ఇమారడం ఇలాంటివి చేస్తాం కలర్స్ అవి అన్ని సిఎస్ఎస్ వస్తాయి బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ డిజైన్ చేయం ఓన్లీ యాక్సెస్ చేస్తాం Next, there is a program called read the data from the Java file. Data from the Java. Read the data from any file in file handling. So this is, you'll see how they are reading the data. There is a buffer reader. They are taking the data. Okay. You know already buffer reader, right? We already discussed about the buffer reader. What is the purpose of buffer reader? To read the data from the file. Okay. So it need one assistant. That assistant name is the input stream reader. Here also I am using the buffer reader. So you can see how I am doing. I am taking the buffer reader. Buffer reader directly cannot take the data from the any file. It need one assistant. That assistant name is input stream reader. I can say input stream reader ISR equal to new input stream reader, and so here I am taking the data into the system, right? So that is the reason I am mentioning like as a system dot in. But here we are taking the data as from the file, right? Mentioning as the file as the input. Yeah. Now, so there is a buffer reader. So initially cannot directly take data from anyone. It need one assistant. That assistant name is the input stream reader. Now I am taking buffer reader, new buffer reader. I'm sending the data, and now I want to read the data line by line. If I want to read the data line by line, then there is another read line method. Okay, that I want to read that data line by line, and I want to store that value in string dot line. This data as now I want to print. I want to print like I would say string. I would like to take the SOP statement system dot out dot println, and I would like to mention lines two. We'll see. And these two are coming from java.io package, right? Go and then import the statement. If you want to import all java.io dot star, that's it. That's it. I'm saving this one. Coming to the program, compile the program, and we'll see Java C demo.java, and input stream reader ISO. This will see also. Can read the data by using buffer reader. We'll see with multiple programs. See the concept. Okay. So here we need to take over here file reader class, not the input stream reader. We need to take file reader, and fr equal to new file reader, new file reader, new file reader, and for this I want to send the input as raju.txt. Raju.txt. Now you can save the file. Here also we need to change the fr and come to here, and then you can compile the file. You can do the manipulations. Java cdemo.java, Java demo. See here. Hi, good morning, everyone. Today we are discussing about the file management. Data we are reading or not? We are reading. We are able to reading the data or not? Yes, we are able to reading the data. So how many scenarios we discussed? There are 4 scenarios. Scenario number 1 is creating the files. Scenario number 2 is deleting the files. Scenario number 3 is sending the data from Java program to reading file. Scenario number 4 is read the data from the file. Okay, read the data from the file. So these are the 4 scenarios we have to do, and then we have to upload in the search website. I hope this is clear, right? So in this area we have the pending topics serialization and deserialization. Once we are complete, then we can go ahead with next concept. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. I hope everybody is clear.
Hello.
No, hey,
Hello.